So I'm back finally. A lot has happened, to say the least. So I'll start off with, this is my new car. It is a 2004 STI that I got about a month and a half ago. Just about 80,000 miles, and I got it for 17. It has quite a bit done to it already, which, I don't like it being, I bought it and it's already done this stuff, so it's bought, not built. But I'm gonna do some more to it, so I'll start with the good part. So has a 20G turbo, Perrin front mount intercooler, Deatchworls 850cc injectors, Perrin inlet, Perrin intake. What else can I think of? Strut bar there. Perrin catch can, Perrin alternator cover, Perrin radiator cover. Red line hood dampeners. I think that's it for the motor. Stage 2 ACT clutch. Perrin downpipe with a Greddy catback. It's actually way quieter than my Blitzner that I had on my WX, but I like it. My Blitzner was quite annoying. So XSR's 18 by 8 3/4 plus 38, I think, with red powder coated Brembos and just, I think, blue spray painted lug nuts. Has obviously the handles painted black. Little roof thing. It has this stupid tint on the taillights that is chipping out, so I need to take that off. Oh, it has Buddy Club lowering coilovers. Trying to think. What else? Whiteline, full front and rear sway bars, and then it has a anti-lift kit. See if I can see it. Gold right there. I think that's it. No, I'm forgetting something. So, and for the good part is the inside. Has 8 or 7 gauges. It has their glow shift, its exhaust temp, air fuel, trans temp, boost or oil pressure boost volts, and then the stock boost gauge. So it reads 78,321 as of right now, which isn't bad for an 04. Has this carbon fiber stuff all around, and then it also has oh, come on, a sub there under there for this amp in the back. It's not mine, but it's a oh, come on, piece of shit. So in the back it has this gauge or amp there, and then there's one on the passenger side for this kicker with this stupid, I don't even know, maybe an 8 It doesn't even put off any bass. Rear fenders all rolled, but whoever did it did a shitty job, and it's paint's chipping and everything on it. So yeah, I have some things planned. It's running stage 2 off the Cobb accessport, which I know is absolutely horrible. So I'm gonna go down to Longmont, Colorado, and get it protuned by Harvey down there, I think is his name, and hopefully I can I'm hoping 350, but we'll see. I'm gonna get my headlights done by this guy named Francisco out of California, and I'm gonna get halos done. I'm gonna lower it some more. I have the stock BBS rims, and I just threw these ones on and didn't adjust the coils or anything. Gonna get electric cutout for the downpipe so I can open it up some more, and then maybe get some underskirts and a rear diffuser. Redo this, and then the 20G it has is just an eBay 20G, which it pulls pretty good, but I'm gonna probably get a Bloush or a Garrett and really put some power down, but we'll see. So yeah, I will be doing more videos of this now, since I'm trying to sell my WX and got this. So thanks.